Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. Let's hear the headlines first. Sunny Leone celebrates 3 years of becoming a mother to Nisha. The morning selfie by Hrithik Roshan is going viral. Social media praises Vidya Balan's Shakuntala Devi trailer. Amitabh Bachchan to emerge as Best Actor for his portrayal Gulabo Sitabo. Amitabh Bachchan advises people to stay away from the jealous trendsetters. Adhan Suman will never allow himself to join in Bigg Boss 14. Ananya Pandey says she has also struggled to enter in Bollywood industry. Home Minister Amit Sinha sends letter asking for CBI probe to concern authorities on Sushant's death. Anushka Sharma's picture-perfect morning ritual with her pet dog leaves Virat Kohli in awe. And lastly, Riya Chakraborty got rape and death threats. She says enough is enough. Now these were the headlines, and let's jump into the details news now. Before that, we'll request you to like the video and share the video with your friends. Subscribe for regular update and click the bell icon. And let us know in the comment box your any opinion if you have. Sunny Leone is one actress who loves her family and always has them as her priority. Despite some offers and projects in the pipeline for the actress, Sunny decided to move to Los Angeles with her husband Daniel and kids Nisha, Noah and Asher for their safety amidst the pandemic. Today, as she is in the US, she shared a lovely post marking a special day in her life. 3 years back, Sunny Leone and Daniel Weber had decided to adopt a child and turn parents for their first time. Today, as she completes 3 years for such a special moment in her life, she shared an adorable post on social media. She shared some pictures with her husband and kids for a small gathering in Los Angeles and captioned it beautifully, expressing her heartfelt feelings. She wrote, "3 years ago, you chose us to be your mama and papa, to trust us to take care of you, to show us what real love is. The second I laid eyes on you, I knew you were my daughter. Today I look at you and I see a glimpse of the strong, independent woman you will become." Hrithik Roshan surely knows how to tease his fans very often. The actor, who's on social media, doesn't include in many selfies and very rarely shares something with us. But when he does, he assures that you are left drooling and asking for more. Today, Hrithik Roshan shared a morning selfie with us. In the picture, Hrithik Roshan is seen looking straight into the camera and looking at the dreamy eyes and messy hairdo. One surely goes weak in their knees. The actor has captioned the picture as morning, followed by a sun emoji. Hrithik's sexy beard and those beautiful eyes has got the netizens talking about it and made the picture go viral. The Greek god and his effect on us is inexplicable. Vidya Balan's upcoming film Shakuntala Devi is based on the life of renowned mathematician of the same name, Shakuntala Devi, who was demanded as a human computer, and Vidya is all set to impress the audience, portraying the icon in the film. The trailer of the film was released this afternoon and it was caught the attention of everyone as the comedy drama contained the perfect concern of the emotions. Apart from Vidya, the film also stars Sanaya Malhotra, who plays her daughter in the film. The strained relationship between the mother and daughter has also been tapped in the film's trailer. Just hours after its release, the Shakuntala Devi trailer has received a lot of love from the masses. While many films releases got postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic leaving theaters to go shut down, Bollywood has managed to give some memorable performances through the first half of 2020. To know which actor impressed the most, a poll was conducted and the result seems a very tough competition between Amitabh Bachchan, Irfan Khan and Ajay Devgan. However, the superstar of the millennium, Amitabh Bachchan, emerged as the winner of the poll with 32% of the votes for his portrayal of Chunnan Mirza and Nawab in Shujit Sarkar's Gulabo and Sitabo. Ever since, superstar Amitabh Bachchan and his family have been tested positive for the novel coronavirus, the fans of the veteran actor have been praying for the recovery of the actor and his whole family. A couple of days ago, Big B and Abhishek Bachchan took to their Twitter handles to announce that both of them had been tested positive for COVID-19. Aishwarya Rai and Aradhya Bachchan were also tested positive but instead opted to home in quarantine. Abhishek and Amitabh have been staying at the Nanavati hospital. Amitabh Bachchan has been regularly updating his fans with his health updates. He also expressed gratitude to all the love and warmth that he has been receiving ever since. Recently, the Gulabo Sitabo actor took to his social media handle and posted a heartfelt message asking his fans and people in general to stay away from the concerned kids of people. He shared an edited picture of himself with flooded hands, and the message was that expresses jealousy always towards others, they whoever dislike all others, they that remain dissatisfied and urged that they are always and ever doubting. Big Boss 14 is yet to begin and there have been so many updates about it. It is the time when we get to see a lot of promos of Big Boss, but due to novel coronavirus outbreak, everything has been delayed. Fans are eagerly waiting for the show to begin. Season 13 has been the biggest hit and hence the excitement for Big Boss 14 has increased. It was recently reported that Salman Khan would be shooting for the new season from September. A source close to the development of the show told Mumbai Mirror, yes, Salman is on board and the show kicks off in 2 months. We have started talking to prospective participants. Among them are popular television actors Vivan Desan and Nia Sharma and Shekhar Suman's actor son Adhyan Suman, and the hopeful they will come on board. But however, Adhyan Suman has rubbished these rumors and revealed that he is not going to be a part of the show. He took to his Twitter to inform his fans about the same. He said that even if it was the end of the world, he would never take part in this show. He wrote, "False news of me being a part of the Big Boss. Thanks but no thanks." Disrespectful to say the least. Ananya Pandya is a favorite of meme makers. At a roundtable conference, the actress had said that she had struggled a lot as well and her father too never got a chance to be on Coffee with Karan. Siddharth Chaturvedi's impromptu reply that was spun into a dig at her was also one of the major reasons that Ananya's take on struggle was turned into memes. Here are a Sushant Singh Rajput's demise has been utterly shocking for one and all. The actor, who has had a tremendous journey from television to Bollywood, was found dead in his Bandra apartment on 14 June 2020. He passed away after suicide, which is being questioned by his fans, and they and almost everyone who knew him think is out of the question. Sushant's fans are devastated and have continuously asked the concerned authorities for a CBI probe and have even begun a trained call. Now, Union Minister Home Minister Amit Shah has forwarded the letter seeking CBI probe to the concerned authorities. Fans will at least breathe a sigh of relief now. The letter was given to Amit Shah by Bihar MP Pappu Yadav. On Tuesday, Yadav shared a picture of the letter, which is a response to his letter. The letter states that the concerned ministry will look into the matter. Anushka Sharma is continuing her self-quarantine life with her family and sharing glimpses of her life on social media. Her morning ritual includes her pet dog Dude as well. It is honestly cute. On Thursday, Anushka Sharma shared a photo dressed in her pajama and wrote, "On morning ritual of while pulling in the company of my sweet Shomo dog Dude." While pulling is an ancient Ayurvedic practice known as Kavala or Gandusha, a dental technique that involves swishing little oil in your mouth on an empty stomach for a few minutes and then spitting it out. This action is excellent for dental hygienic and health and also draws out toxins in the body. As we all are using the same time to take better care of our health and improve our immunity, I thought of sharing this. Hopefully it was helpful and will be beneficial to you too. Ever since Sushant Singh Rajput's untimely demise on June 14th, actress Rhea Chakraborty has been on the receiving end of abuse trolls. The actress was reportedly dating the late actor and was also questioned by the Mumbai police for 9 hours regarding the death. Rhea Chakraborty spoke up about Sushant a month after he died, paying a tribute to him on social media. However, the actress has been subjected to rape and death threats on social media. She finally took to her Instagram to name and shame an Instagram user who have gave her death and rape threat. The user, who goes by the name Mannu Rawat on Instagram, wrote, "I make sure you will be raped and you murdered. You bitch, commit suicide, otherwise I will spend people to kill you sooner or later." Sharing a screen grab of the message, Rhea wrote, "I was called a gold digger. I kept quiet. I was called a murderer. I kept quiet. I was salt-shamed. I kept quiet. But how does my silence give you the right to tell me that you will get me raped and murdered if I don't commit suicide? Do you realize the seriousness of what you have said? These are crimes, and by law, no one, I repeat, no one should be subjected to this kind of toxicity and harassment. I request you to please take necessary action. Enough is enough," she wrote.